Good afternoon. I'm going to talk today about different sorts of cables, what they are and the difference it can make to a garment. Cabling is really taking stitches and putting them across each other, either in front like that or from the front behind and moving over. If we all remember the Beast from the East, I wanted a quick knit thick jumper, fell in love with this yarn. It was a pattern I made myself. It was very plain, so I thought I will add a cable on the front, and you can see what I mean about the two parts snaking in and out of each other, forming this river effect as it goes up. Here I have a cushioned front that I'm making, and I have a plaited cable, which means that I've divided the stitches into 3 equal parts, and I'm alternately taking left and right in.